Hola Unconventionals, I'm Amelia.
And I'm JP, and today we're on another adventure. We're at the base of a volcano near Otavalo, Ecuador. Hola, Pero.
Pretty, or she. And the mist feels so good. Estamos en las Cascadas de Peguche. It is beautiful here.
We hiked up to Mirador Arcoiris, which is the rainbow lookout. Amelia made me climb all those stairs.
Yes, I did, and it was totally worth it.
She always says it's good for me.
It is, it's good for both of us. This clean, fresh mountain air is amazing. And the power of the waterfall, you can see it behind me. Oh my gosh, we were standing on that lookout and I could feel it moving because the water is so strong.
This is a really popular tourist attraction with Ecuadorians too. They have some hot spring pools, campsites, and some cabins.
It's known as the most beautiful rainforest in Northern Ecuador, and I believe it.
Yeah, it really smells of eucalyptus. There's a lot of eucalyptus trees and waterfalls.
There are more trails in this area, so we are going to go do some more exploring. In heaven. I'm loving this. Sun's out.
me. How am I supposed to go through there?
You can do it. Good job, JP. Nice little shortcut. Oh, turn around and look at this incredible view. Wow.
We are done exploring up here.
Yep, so we're gonna head back down into Otavalo, and it's about a 30-minute walk, all downhill, JP.
Yay, downhill.
Stop and get some Chifles.
Chifles. Ooh, Chifles.
Waiting on the day when we don't feel the same. We've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me. So keep on going. We got good things coming our way.
We saw that there was a dinosaur park on the map, so we walked over here. Didn't realize they were topiaries instead of fossils.
Yeah, it's actually pretty funny, but they're really cool. Although I think this guy looks more like the creature from Dark Crystal as opposed to a Stegosaurus.
All right, guys, I think that's all we have for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave us a like, please.
Yes, please. We hope you have an unconventional day, and we will see you all in our next video.
Ciao.
Ciao.